Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, my today's topic is the fertilization in humans for class 10th. In human beings, internal fertilization takes place. The sperms or male gametes made in the testes of a man are introduced into the vagina of the woman through penis during copulation or mating. In this way, millions of sperms are released into the vagina at one time. The sperms are highly active and mobile. Moving, the sperms move up through cervix into the uterus. From uterus, the sperms pass into the oviducts. One of the oviducts contains an egg cell released by the ovary during ovulation. Only one sperm fuses with the ovum or egg in the oviduct to form a zygote. This is called fertilization. Thus, the fertilization of the ovum or egg takes place in the oviduct. When the ovum or egg is fertilized in the oviduct, then a zygote is formed. The zygote divides rapidly by mitosis as it moves down slowly in the oviduct and forms a hollow ball of hundreds of cells. This hollow ball of cells, now called an embryo, sinks into the soft and thick lining of the uterus and gets embedded in it. The embedding of embryo in the thick lining of the uterus is called implantation. After implantation, a disc-like special tissue develops between the uterus wall, called uterine wall, and the embryo or fetus, which is called placenta. The fetus is connected to placenta in mother's body through umbilical cord. It is through the placenta that all the requirements of the developing fetus like nutrition, respiration, excretion takes place or met from the mother's body. In other words, the exchange of nutrients, oxygen and waste products between the embryo and the mother takes place through the placenta. The time period from the fertilization up to the birth of the baby is called gestation. The average gestation period in humans or the average duration of human pregnancy is about 9 months. During the gestation period, the fetus grows to become a baby. Birth begins when the strong muscles in the walls of the fetus, in the walls of the uterus start to contract rhythmically. The rhythmic contraction of uterus muscles gradually pushes the baby out of the mother's body through vagina. This is how a baby is born. So this is about the fertilization, process of fertilization in human beings.